Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to pair your TCL TV remote. Now of course this will work if it's the first time you're pairing your remote. It will also work if you're having issues with the remote itself and it's not functioning as it should. You can use this to correct those issues. Now of course in order to do this, let me show you how to unpair. Go to settings. Once you're in settings, you're gonna go down to remote and accessories. Make sure Bluetooth is on. So turn on Bluetooth. These are the Bluetooth devices. This is your remote. It should show TCL and of course the code M1 or something with TCL. All right, so you're gonna tap. Then of course you're gonna unpair. Hit OK, and of course there you go, it's now unpaired. To pair, you're gonna hit the home button and the the home button and the OK button at the same time. Forgive me, I'm doing this with one hand. All right, there you go, and instantly it should start pairing. All right, and you can see it says pair your remote, and of course it's now paired. It's now back in the menu as it's now freshly paired. All right. You can also see the remaining battery. You can see the remaining battery. And the fun thing about this, guys, is that at any time you can pair by simply holding down both buttons, as I showed earlier, and it will pair the device again. Or in case of troubleshooting and issues with the remote, simply remove it and then repair it. And of course, it will work much better. All right, as you can see, man is super responsive. All right, do hope this was useful, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.